welcome back to my channel. So I know it's been a long time since I've posted a video, but I've been so busy with so many things, like moving from one place to another, and I also got a new phone. My other phone was giving me some issues, but we're back again and we're ready to make money online. So yeah, if you're interested in that, just make sure you hit the subscribe button. So today's video is actually going to be a special video where I'll be teaching you guys how to make money without investments from affiliate marketing. It's a type of affiliate marketing called CPA marketing, and the CPA marketing stands for cost per action marketing. It's not basically like the typical affiliate marketing where you have to sell somebody's product or do this, do that. You know, this one is completely free to start. You don't need any capital. You can actually run everything for free and actually withdraw to your wallet, either PayPal, cryptocurrency, or whatever you want to withdraw from. So without wasting much of the time, if you're interested in more money making videos, make sure you hit the subscribe button, as that's basically what we do on the channel. As you can see here, you can check out some of our previous videos if you're interested in claiming airdrops for free that can actually give you some money. Like some of them are actually exchangeable now, or if it's NFTs you want to claim, you also have such videos here. So without wasting much of the time, let's go straight into today's video. So yeah, the website I'm going to be teaching you, the website we're going to be using for this now is called CPAGRIP. So the link is in the description box. Links to the site is in the description box. So once you click on the link in the site, this is where it's going to bring you to. So you're going to see two things here: become an affiliate or become a publisher. So now what we are going to do is, what we're going to click on is become a publisher, not become an advertiser. So once you click on become a publisher, it will take you here where you sign up. Now basically all these places you see with stars here, like stars like that, those ones are compulsory, so you have to fill in this one. So what you do is you fill in your first name, your last name, your company name. You can just put in a name you want to put. Website is not compulsory, as you can see there's no star there. I'm just giving you a run through of how you can register. I'll be teaching you everything on how to make money, how to withdraw, how to do everything in this video, but I'm just like giving you basic outlook. So your street address, then I'm presently in Hungary, that's why it's showing Hungary here. So your what's it called, your country, your city, zip code, postal code. You can just check on Google for where your postal code is, for what your postal code is in whatever city you are. Your phone number, your Skype, this is not compulsory. This IM name, you can just put anything. If you have a Skype account, you can put it there, or if you don't have, just put something there, maybe your name or something, or your nickname. You can just put that there. So publisher type, when you click on publisher type, you can I basically chose email. You can choose email, website and stuff. So you put in your email address here, your password, confirm password. Then this one is not necessary also, but just click on also agree to these terms, and yeah, you're good to go. But once you click on register now, then the next thing you have to do is you go to your email address. So yeah, you see something like this. So you have to validate this by clicking this link here. They'll send you a similar link, so just click on the link and validate your account. So now let me show you basically how this stuff works and how you actually make money from it, so you guys can see how simple it actually is. So yeah, I think I use Chrome. So yeah, once you go here, I think once you log into your account, this is where it's going to take you. First of all, let me show you. As you can see, this is a new account. I just created this new account. So over the next few weeks, I will be building this account to show you how easy it actually is. So if you want to start this journey with me, make sure you subscribe, drop a like on this video, and create your own account. As you can see here, it's just zero. So I'll be trying to build it within the next couple of weeks to go into CPA marketing also and affiliate marketing to see how much we can actually make from it. So if you're also interested in it, just subscribe. I'll be dropping more videos on how and the new tips and what you need to do to actually make more money. So yeah, once you register, this is how you're going to see it. So let me teaching you how you can actually get offers and make money and stuff. So let's just close this. So basically you can see here this one just and you can see here their earnings. This one just earns $51. Yeah, then $51 with 52 leads, 5.24 with 21 clicks, 2 leads, something like that. I will tell you what all these things mean. So basically what the leads mean are like I think basically we have to let me show you what those ones will come later, but I'm going to show you everything on what you need to do. So first of all, yeah, this is a new account. You have to put in your tax documents, which I'll also be showing here, probably in my next video or something like that. Then your payment method, what method do you want them to pay? Is it your bank account, your PayPal, or whatever? I'll be showing you how to do those ones too. So yeah, now this is where you actually make money. As you can see here, Sorry, this is not in English. Let me try to translate it here. So back to English. So this is basically what CPA marketing is just like. There are tasks where you get paid for. People don't actually have to buy anything. Like that I say, it's not like typical affiliate marketing. They don't have to buy anything. As long as they perform a task, not necessarily buying, you get paid. So for this one, as you can see, these are the tasks here, and these are the amounts, your rewards that will pay you. So as you can see, for this one, you participate in a console voucher, will pay you 0.34. But this one, get the latest WhatsApp content, they are going to pay you $3.76 per person. Let me see what the task is about. So you guys, let me just show you guys. So here, as you can see, get started by entering your information. So this is available for people in Finland, but that you can also do it in Nigeria, but probably you target Finland people. So this offer is only allowed in Finland. So yeah. So basically what they do here, get started by entering your own information. It has to do with WhatsApp. I can't read this, or if not, I'll have told you WhatsApp, but it's basically a task. Probably they have to save their contacts or do something on WhatsApp or join a group, and you get paid this $3.76. That's basically how easy some of the offers are. So this video is already over 6 minutes. Okay, basically let's just let me try to get it by country. So these are the top performing offers. Let me try to get it by country. I've forgotten how to do that. Okay, yeah, just click on this arrow there, so you can see these are the offers available to those that are in Hungary. This one, you guys can see, there's basically different offers. So for those that are in United States, or let me try Nigeria first. I don't know if there are any offers in Nigeria. Well, if you try Nigeria first. So this one, as you can see, this one here, you just download the best games. Probably a game they will ask you to download. Once they download it, you get paid $0.13. This one, this one you get paid $0.3 for downloading the content. So basically these things are just simple. These offers are very small, so I wouldn't go for this, but I'll be trying to keep this video, I'm trying to keep this video short. So I think this is what we call it a day today. If you're interested in the next steps and everything else you have to do, just make sure you subscribe, like this video, as I'll be making more videos about this. Don't forget, the link is in the description box if you want to sign up for this website, so you get paid for simple tasks. And I'll see you in the next one.